You don't remember falling asleep. You don't remember dreaming. But when you open your eyes, the sky is wrong. Faded. The sky above you isn't blue. It's thick, orange, heavy with particles. Clouds move slowly, like the air itself is resisting time. You sit up. Mud sticks to your hands. Warm mud. You smell it. Iron. Wet vegetation. Decay. Pure, unfiltered life. No gasseting. No concrete. No civilización. Just earth. Untouched. And that's when it hits you. You're not in your world anymore. You stand slowly. The trees are massive. Not tall. Massive. Trunks wider than cars. Ferns reaching higher than rooftops. Every plant evolved to compete. To dominate. To survive. You feel exposed instantly. Because here, you are fragile. No clothes. No armor. No speed. Just skin. And fear. You hear something in the distance. A deep, echoing call. It doesn't sound angry. It sounds territorial. Ancient. The kind of sound that existed long before language. Your chest vibrates with it. This is late Cretaceous Earth. 70 million years ago. And you are not prepared. You take a single step. Immediately, the forest reacts. Insects stop. Bird-like creatures freeze. The wind seems to hold its breath. Silence spreads outward like a river. That kind of silence only happens when something higher on the food chain is near. You don't see it yet, but you feel it. Watching, measuring, deciding. A shadow moves between the trees. Slow, heavy, deliberate. Then it steps into the filtered light. Therizinosaurus, 15 feet tall, feathered arms hanging low, 3-foot claws curved like scythes. Its long neck sways slightly. Its eyes are intelligent, not monstrous, not evil, just aware. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't charge. It studies you. And in that moment, you realize something terrifying. You are something evolution never prepared for. You don't belong here. And when something doesn't belong in nature, nature removes it. It steps closer. The ground vibrates softly. You don't move, because movement is weakness. Its claw rises slightly, hooks in a bark, pulls down leaves. It eats, slowly, calmly, herbivore. But those claws weren't removed by evolution. They were kept, for defense, for warning, for violence, if necessary. You realize something deeper. Predators aren't the only danger here. Anything large enough can end you by accident. You are one misstep away from extinction. The sun begins to disappear. Not gradually, rapidly. The sky shifts from gold to crimson to deep purple. Darkness in prehistoric Earth isn't like modern darkness. There are no cities glowing in the distance. No artificial light. Just moon, and things that hunt by it. Temperature drops fast. The air grows tense. You find shelter beneath exposed tree roots. Mud cold against your back. You're breathing shallow, and then you hear it. A roar. Short. Focused. Predatory. Closer than before. The Therizinosaurus hears it too. It freezes, then slowly backs away. Even giants fear something here, and that should terrify you. Heavy footsteps slam against the earth. Fast. Controlled. Tarbosaurus. Muscle and teeth and hunger. It moves through trees like their suggestions. Its nostrils flare. It pauses. Sniffs. You stop breathing completely. If it smells you, you don't get a second chance. Second stretch. Your heart feels loud enough to betray you. It tilts its head, confused. You are not in its evolutionary memory. Not prey, not predator, not data. Then it moves on, and you understand something chilling. You survived because you are irrelevant. You think the worst is over. It isn't. A streak of light tears across the sky. Bright, blinding. Slow enough to feel intentional. It burns across the atmosphere like a scar. You know what it is? The asteroid. You're standing on the final day of the dinosaur age. And nothing here understands what's coming. At first, silence. Then a distant flash. Then a tremor. Birds explode into the sky. Dinosaurs scream in confusion. Minutes later, the shockwave arrives. The ground rolls beneath you. Trees snap like twigs. Dust erupts upward. The sky begins to darken unnaturally. This isn't just destruction. This is reset. You see the Therizinosaurus one final time, standing against a burning horizon, claws hanging motionless. It doesn't fight, because extinction cannot be fought. It can only be endured, and it won't endure. Ash begins falling like snow. The air thickens. Breathing burns your lungs. Plants will die. Food chains will collapse. Everything that survived predators will not survive the sky. You close your eyes, because you understand something now. Strength does not guarantee permanence. Adaptation does not guarantee survival. Nothing guarantees survival. Silence. Then, a car horn. A distant siren. You open your eyes. Modern ceiling. Modern world. Safe. But your hands are shaking, because now you know something most people don't feel. This planet has erased dominance before. It erased giants, and it didn't hesitate. Therizinosaurus wasn't terrifying because of its claws. It was terrifying because it adapted perfectly and still disappeared. Evolution does not promise safety. It promises opportunity. And sometimes, opportunity ends in fire.
This is Jurassic Journeys. We don't just tell you about extinction, we make you stand inside it. If you're ready for the next journey, subscribe. Because next time, you won't just watch the asteroid fall.